Every year, thousands of people travel near the North Pole to see a very special sight, a dazzling display of lights that appear to dance across the night sky. This dramatic display is called aurora borealis, or more commonly, the northern lights. They are generally green in color, but sometimes with a hint of pink. Strong displays might also have red, violet, and white. The northern lights are typically seen in places like Canada, Alaska, the Scandinavian countries, Iceland, Greenland, and Russia. But actually, auroras form near both the poles, north and south. The southern lights are called aurora australis. But what causes this ethereal phenomenon? The sun is constantly emitting something called solar wind, a plasma of charged particles which flows through space at about 400 kilometers a second. Every so often, there are storms and flares on the sun's surface, and the solar wind is stronger than usual. When these high-energy particles approach Earth, they first encounter the three-dimensional region around the planet called the magnetosphere. As they enter at high speeds, the particles experience force due to the magnetic field, and they start moving along a helical path. Near the poles, this motion gets them trapped in a so-called magnetic bottle. Here they start exciting the atoms in the atmosphere. This means the electrons in the atmospheric gases absorb a photon, gain energy, and jump to a higher orbital. Once these electrons move back to a lower orbital, they emit a photon of light. It is this emission that we see in the form of auroras. Neon lights and cathode ray tubes are based on this very principle. Gases within the tubes are excited to high energies till they start to glow. Oxygen gives off the green color of the aurora. Nitrogen causes blue or red colors. In the folklore of some Inuit tribes, the flickering auroras are the spirits of their dead ancestors dancing across the sky, playing football with a walrus skull. Nordic mythologies say the aurora is a fire bridge built by the gods from the earth to the sky. Whatever the stories, a visit to the beautiful northern lights is every nature traveler and photographer's dream. But hey, how many of them know the science behind it like you do now? We'll be back with yet another mind-blowing story in science.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.